Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atinike. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous false lock crochet on a winter cap. I've already shown you guys what I'm going to be using from the beginning. I make use of 3.5 bundle of Brazilian wool. As you can see, I'm just crocheting the wool on the cap. The main reason why I didn't make use of hair is that hair is going to be heavy. I mean, all this synthetic braiding hair is going to be heavy for this kind of hairstyle, but wool, this Brazilian wool, is not going to be heavy at all. You can even make it fuller than mine. This is what I like doing if I want to do a lock on my hair or on a wig, anyone. I love braiding a little. After I finish braiding a little, then I'll start wrapping the hair, you understand? Sorry, the Brazilian wool. Now I want to start wrapping. You will have to hold a little. You can see I showed you when I want to start wrapping. Then after putting that, you start wrapping the hair. It's a very easy method to wrap. I really love the outcome of this lock. I even felt like even having this lock on my own natural hair, not on this cap. So guys, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Can you please click on the subscribe button? I really appreciate that. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you so much guys. I just keep on wrapping, so just keep on watching so that you can see what I did towards the end. If you don't want to leave the hair like that, I use a lighter to burn the tip a little bit so that it won't stuck to my cardigan anytime I put it on. If you burn it much, I don't know how to describe as in explain this part, but I just use the lighter just to as in a little bit towards the end, so if I put on anything wool, it won't the tip won't stuck to it or draw it. You get what I mean? I just keep on wrapping it. This is the last but not the least. I don't really want the lock to be over full. If you want yours to be fuller than mine, you feel free to do that, but I want it to be natural, so that is why I didn't make it to be really full. I'm adding another one now. This is how you add when the wool you are using to wrap is finished. So very easy to achieve. We are done. Ta-da! So let's throw the cap on. So thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share, comment down below if you enjoy, which I know you really enjoy watching. Thank you so much for your support and love. See you in my next video. Bye, ciao, love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.